Julia Roberts Mediterranean Vacation Havens. Welcome to the enchanting world of Julia Roberts Mediterranean Vacation Havens. The acclaimed actress, known for her timeless beauty and captivating performances, has a deep love for the Mediterranean. This stunning region, with its azure waters, historic sites, and vibrant culture, has been a frequent retreat for Julia, offering her a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of Hollywood. Amalfi Coast, Italy. The Amalfi Coast, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of Julia Roberts' favorite Mediterranean retreats. Nestled along the southern edge of Italy's Sorrentine Peninsula, this breathtaking coastline is renowned for its dramatic cliffs, colorful villages, and sparkling blue waters. Julia often finds solace in the charming town of Positano, where narrow, winding streets lead to hidden boutiques, quaint cafes, and stunning views of the Tyrrhenian Sea. The town's vibrant pastel-colored houses, cascading down the cliffs, create a picturesque backdrop that is nothing short of magical. In Positano, Julia loves to immerse herself in the local culture. She enjoys leisurely strolls along the Spiaggia Grande, Positano's main beach, where she can dip her toes in the warm Mediterranean waters and soak up the sun. The town's rich culinary scene is another highlight, with Julia frequently indulging in fresh seafood, homemade pasta, and delicious gelato. Santorini, Greece. Santorini, with its iconic whitewashed buildings and breathtaking sunsets, is another favorite destination for Julia Roberts. This stunning Greek island, part of the Cyclades group in the Aegean Sea, is known for its unique beauty and enchanting atmosphere. Julia often stays in the picturesque village of Oia, where narrow cobblestone streets, blue-domed churches, and charming boutiques create a postcard-perfect setting. The island's volcanic origins add to its allure, with dramatic cliffs and black sand beaches offering a striking contrast to the turquoise waters. Julia loves to explore Santorini's rich history and culture. She often visits the ancient ruins of Akrotiri, a Minoan Bronze Age settlement that was preserved under volcanic ash, offering a fascinating glimpse into the island's past. The island's wineries are another highlight, with Julia enjoying tours and tastings at some of Santorini's renowned vineyards. The unique volcanic soil gives the local wines a distinct flavor, making them a must-try for any visitor. Provence, France. The enchanting region of Provence in southern France is another Mediterranean haven beloved by Julia Roberts. Known for its picturesque landscapes, charming villages, and rich history, Provence offers a tranquil escape from the demands of stardom. Julia often stays in the Luberon Valley, where rolling hills, lavender fields, and vineyards create a serene and idyllic setting. The region's quaint villages, such as Gordes and Roussillon, are a delight to explore, with their narrow streets, historic buildings, and vibrant markets. In Provence, Julia loves to immerse herself in the local way of life. She enjoys visiting the bustling markets, where she can find fresh produce, artisanal cheeses, and handmade crafts. The region's culinary delights are another highlight, with Julia often indulging in Provençal cuisine, which is known for its fresh, seasonal ingredients and robust flavors. She particularly enjoys dining at traditional bistros and restaurants, where she can savor dishes such as ratatouille, bouillabaisse, and tart tatin. Dubrovnik, Croatia. Dubrovnik, often referred to as the Pearl of the Adriatic, is another Mediterranean gem that Julia Roberts loves to visit. This historic city, located on the southern coast of Croatia, is known for its stunning architecture, crystal-clear waters, and rich cultural heritage. Julia is particularly enchanted by Dubrovnik's Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where ancient city walls, historic buildings, and cobblestone streets transport visitors back in time. The city's medieval charm, combined with its vibrant atmosphere, makes it a captivating destination for any traveler. Julia enjoys exploring Dubrovnik's many attractions, from the impressive walls that encircle the Old Town to the beautiful Sponza Palace and the historic Rector's Palace. She often takes leisurely walks along the Straven, the city's main street, where she can browse local shops, enjoy coffee at a sidewalk cafe, and soak in the lively ambience. Mallorca, Spain. Mallorca, the largest of Spain's Balearic Islands, is another Mediterranean destination that holds a special place in Julia Roberts' heart. This beautiful island, with its stunning beaches, rugged mountains, and charming villages, offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Julia often stays in the picturesque town of Dia, nestled in the Tramontana Mountains, where she can enjoy breathtaking views, tranquil surroundings, and a laid-back lifestyle. In Mallorca, Julia loves to explore the island's diverse landscapes and rich culture. She enjoys hiking in the Tramontana Mountains, where scenic trails lead to hidden coves, ancient olive groves, and stunning viewpoints. The island's beaches are another highlight, with Giulia often spending her days lounging on the golden sands, swimming in the crystal-clear waters, and indulging in beachside picnics. Cinque Terre, Italy. Cinque Terre, a string of 5 picturesque villages along the Italian Riviera, is another Mediterranean paradise that Giulia Roberts adores. Known for its colorful houses, dramatic cliffs, and stunning sea views, Cinque Terre offers a unique and enchanting experience. Giulia often visits the village of Vernazza, where narrow alleys, vibrant buildings, and a charming harbor create a postcard-perfect setting. The village's relaxed atmosphere and stunning natural beauty make it a perfect retreat for Giulia. In Cinque Terre, Giulia loves to explore the scenic hiking trails that connect the 5 villages, offering breathtaking views of the coastline and the Mediterranean Sea. The region's rich culinary traditions also captivate Giulia, with fresh seafood, homemade pasta, and local wines providing a delightful taste of Ligurian cuisine. Ibiza, Spain. Ibiza, known for its vibrant nightlife and stunning beaches, is another Mediterranean destination that Giulia Roberts loves to visit. This beautiful island, part of Spain's Balearic Islands, offers a perfect blend of relaxation and excitement. Giulia often stays in the quieter parts of the island, where she can enjoy serene beaches, lush landscapes, and a laid-back lifestyle. The island's unique charm and diverse attractions make it a captivating destination for Giulia. In Ibiza, Giulia enjoys exploring the island's many hidden gems, from secluded coves and pristine beaches to charming villages and bustling markets. She often spends her days lounging on the golden sands, swimming in the crystal-clear waters, and indulging in beachside picnics. The island's vibrant culinary scene also captivates Giulia, with fresh seafood, tapas, and local wines offering a delicious taste of Ibizan cuisine. Capri, Italy. Capri, a stunning island in the Bay of Naples, is another Mediterranean paradise that Giulia Roberts adores. Known for its rugged coastline, crystal-clear waters, and glamorous lifestyle, Capri offers a unique and enchanting experience. Giulia often stays in the town of Capri, where she can enjoy breathtaking views, tranquil surroundings, and a relaxed atmosphere. The island's natural beauty and luxurious ambience make it a perfect retreat for Giulia. In Capri, Giulia loves to explore the island's many attractions, from the famous Blue Grotto and the beautiful Villa San Michele to the stunning Gardens of Augustus and the historic Certosa di San Giacomo. She often takes leisurely walks along the island's scenic paths, where she can enjoy panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea and the dramatic coastline. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.